Have a good day mga ka-Gen-I. This unit is DA17 4x4 Tiptronic in off-road setup. As you can see, this unit is fully customized. Hood is inspired by Lamborghini concept and our signature bumper with steel bumper and fog lights. We also have here the snorkel. Request po yan ni customer. To complete the look of our off-road setup, we also have here the steep board, and that is steel steep board with its mud terrain tires. At muntik na po natin makalimutan, meron na din po pala itong roof rack. Kasama na po yan sa package natin sa off-road concept. Pinalagyan na din ni customer ng spoiler. At yung likod niya is nakamodify na yung T-light. Sa high ace na po yan na T-light. At yung bumper niya po sa likuran is fully steel na po yan.